Do you wanna be a troll player? Get your grenade launcher out. Shoot a couple grenades at the enemy right now, and they will cry. They will claim that you are toxic. But we all know that I'm just trying to troll us. Do you want to shoot a grenade launcher? We can shoot a grenade launcher. Disclaimer, no Minecraft characters were hurt during the making of this video. Hey, Jabba, I know you're working up a sweat there, but would you like a hot dog? I'm serving hot dogs, bro. Would you like ketchup or mustard?